Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share details about Voxel. This project has also a fully fledged original GameFi project that is completely unlike any other. I am going to deep dive with this project. First of all, if you are new on the channel, subscribe it. This video is for educational purpose only. And you can also check where you can also get 3D model, participate in the exchange, and tone is also going to be used in it, where you can easily check there is build beyond the blocks. Yes, this project is going to allow the user to earn withdraw tone without listing or TGA. There is a huge advantage. This video is for educational purpose only. So you can also check build for the creator powered by the Voxel team. At this stage, project is in 6 out of 15 stage. If you're wondering whether it's too late to join, it's only just the beginning. You will also grab all these features in one universe. Voxel unifies the building, trading, collecting, and earning inside itself. And this is also blockchain based with powerful and player first control, and this is secure by design. So, from idea to result, this is working. Here is CoinFlip Play vs Player, its own unique marketplace, a wealth of other content that already in the app we are going to launch, and there start building earning, and here you can even get their number of per Voxel token. User who are going to join here millions of. You can get some frequently asked questions now, and let's get started with this. How does this actually Voxel working in our Telegram? As well as there is also official Telegram that you're going to join to be a community member, and next you can also join them on their Discord too. If you want to join this as blockchain, so let's get started with our Telegram app. While interface, this is also Voxel, where you can create 3D model symbol, and here allow you to symbol, and there you can also own the blockchain. You can create some quality, immediately sell it for tune. So let's get started. First of all, this bot link will be provided where you can easily open. So here we have to accept the terms and condition. Then we will also proceed to the assemble on the blockchain. As for the here is also like we are going to start building, we can click on it. There is our random model. So let's get started. Here you can also check it is being processed. You need to click on the touch option, and here at the below you can check some percentage is also going to increase. This is what we are going to build. As once it will be built completely, then I'll show you a complete model that should look like a 3D. Here is also our 100%. Now we can also check there is also sell option. We can click on it, and this will be done automatically. Not only this, if you come to your bag option, where you can also start here as confirmation, yes, confirm option for the purchase, you can easily do it. So this is very simple. This is about the case. If you want to go again, then you can also click on it. Here is also some percentage. We can easily check that. There is also option sell. Sell to the market. There you can also check how much you are going to get as a tone. You can easily click on it, and then this will be done. Next is about the market, where you can easily check there are different types of 3D model have been given as some main features. You can easily check that. If you want to explore, you can also check here next details too. Like this is what you can easily collect, what you have the 3D model that is also going to show you here. So cactus we have, if you want to add or remove, you can easily come to your main portfolio. So now we are coming to our wallet, where we have already got here 0.02 ton. So there you can even check out, and the amount is going to be shared with fully manual, and there you can basically you are going to click on the build option. If you want to start building, you can also click on the next option. Continue. There start building as a random model. We can click on it and there we need to accept, and once it will be completed, then I'll show you again the complete process because it is really important to you. And there you can also get some double coin like blocks too, and there is also some limited, you can even get that. Now we are going to complete it. Here is also near to 100. Once it will be done, there will be also categories by spin as this is epic. So we can also check. There is also next option. There is also like if you want to sell, you can do it. You can also share to your friends too. Here is your referral code. You can copy it, share to your friends. You can earn by completing some task. There are also many other communities too. So here is also market where you can come to see what are the blocks that are available here in the blog section. You can also check about the number what you own. So I hope you understand about that. You can easily top up into your. If you want to deposit, you can click on it. There is also deposit address. Direct with QR code too. On the tone address, you can also connect your wallet. If you want to take withdrawal, that is also giving the address, memo code and amount, and click on the withdrawal. You want to exchange. As you have Voxel, you want tone or tone into Voxel, that is also available. So in this way, you can also easily work. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. See you next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.